17. Standards. Recently, one of my daughters gave me a photograph reproduction of a menu from 1843. The restaurant was New York's finest, Delmonico's. The price of a full dinner was exactly 12 cents. Has food gone up in price since then? Not really. Money has simply become cheaper. About the time of the war, 1838 to 39, a friend built a lovely home for $7,500 with the tile of the roof handmade by an able craftsman, the cabinetwork custom-made, and so on. Today, that house is worth $100,000. It is the same house, 30 years older, but money is now cheaper. A man I know has been married 27 years. When he married his wife, they were the same age, but he is now 5 years older. She has changed the count. Many jokes are made about fishermen using a rubber tape measure to judge the size of their fish. As a fisherman of sorts, I think we are a much abused class of people. If fishermen used as elastic a standard as most men do today, there would be reporting whales in the Sacramento River. Too often we forget that the thing to examine first of all is the yardstick. Now back to that 1843 dinner at Delmonico's for 12 cents. In 1884, Delmonico's offered the same full dinner, now with any kind of steak, for 4 cents. In April 1969, a friend and I had lunch, not dinner, at a fairly good New York restaurant, and it cost several dollars for each of us. The yardstick, money has changed, not the food. To understand, therefore, what is happening in America's economy, the answer is not to complain about the rising price of farm products, but to look at the changing yardstick, money. This is all the more true in the realm of public and private life. We cannot understand what is happening to the world unless we have a yardstick to judge the world and ourselves by. The only true yardstick is the Bible. Nothing can be measured without a standard of measurement. If the standard is wrong, everything else is then out of line. This means that the principle of measure must be absolutely trustworthy, or else nothing valid can follow.